why do we look at trusts as it relates to children? Question I get asked all the time. And the reason is because children or people under the age of 18 cannot legally own or inherit. And so if you were to give money, a large amount of money, or even a small amount of money to somebody under the age of 18, they could not legally receive it. And so instead of giving it to them directly, you give it to them in a trust. It's a bucket that somebody holds on their behalf, a trustee, for their benefit. And then when they turn an age that you choose, the trustee then hands over that resource to the child. As it relates to more involved planning, what we want to look at is how do we ensure that our children are capable of receiving the gift we're going to give? And that's really what we start looking at with trust planning for kids. Is not so much holding the asset until they reach a certain age, but really holding the asset until they've developed the necessary skill set and maybe mindset to receive the gift. And so we can add in things like steps along the way to increase autonomy, either by making them co-trustee for all of it or some of it, or maybe making them sole trustee for some of it over time, the stepped gift or the sprinkling gift, as it's sometimes called. And it's really a combination of these that really, working with an attorney, we seek to figure out how exactly do you as a parent provide for your child in a way that works for you and works for your child.